So here's the sign that we got trouble. There's water coming out of this pipe. You can barely see. This pipe that comes out of the wall is fed from the overflow tank up taking this hot water heater. So it comes dripping out here. And we've got water all over the patio. So that's how I know there's a problem. So I've got this adapter on top of the I guess vent stack for the condensation line that comes out of the air conditioner. I will show what that looks like going on as I take it apart. But basically, this is where I put on the air compressor to blow stuff out. So the other thing I have to do is, last time the plumbers were here, they made this nice thing for me. I just have to pull this out, which is some kind of detector, and plug that in, and so that keeps the pressure that when I put the air compressor on, keeps the pressure from going out this hole. Now the other thing I got to do is go over here, because this is where the problem is. All the condensation is backing up this line and coming out of the tankless hot water heater, dripping into this pan, going out onto the patio, that's where I see it. That's where I first know. So going in here, close this valve. So now nothing can come back this way. And I'll take my little air compressor and stick that on there. Alright, so I got this all hooked up, ready to run. I'm going to set this up here so I can hold on to two things at once. Turn it on and see what happens. And immediately that thing popped out. So I got to hold on to that while I do this. Now I'm running it again. That thing's not popping out. So hopefully whatever was blocking has been pushed out. Alright. So as I take this off, you'll see how it's sort of put together. So this band is just keeping it compressed so that none of the air can leak out through the rubber there. That comes off. And what I did is I took an old inner tube, bicycle tire inner tube, and cut out strips to make little rubber bands. So I put a couple of those on. A couple more. It's kind of almost broken. And then this thing just comes off. And then I had one more band on here to help seal it. But all this is so that bicycle inner tube, I just took the part that had the valve on it And I glued another section on there just to, have a nice thick seal there that I could put on top. So that's my drain stack, or I guess but it works out pretty well. It saves me a couple $100 every time, which is about once or twice a year, I guess. So not too shabby. And it's a few hours later and it looks like it's drying up pretty good. I think we solved the problem.